Spatula. Spatula. Pop this underneath. Spatula. Okay, so this should be probably a little bigger. Okay, keep the spatula underneath it. And that's how you serve it. No.
That's my face.
That looks pretty good, I think, doesn't it?
Middle tier's Michael's anyway, right?
Yeah. No, the lemon's the top one. Does that look pretty good from you? It looks like it's pretty much in the middle.
Looks to me.
Yeah? Yeah? It's going to be your fault, people. Better check. Too late now.
That's good.
Okay, good.
Okay, so the next one is a 6-inch, and the plates only actually come in 6-inch. Remember, I cut it in a little bit, so I can't really use a plate on this one. But I'm still going to use these thicker columns. Okay, so it's going to be, yeah, you can go get it. It's fine. Like about here, and then the pen. Yeah, the marker. Oh, nice. I like it.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's right.
The assistant is doing her job.
That's right. She doesn't have time to talk because she's doing her job. Right?
How many do I use? 3?
We're gonna use 4 still.
What did text say?
There we go. Pull it back out.
Text saying,
You want to try one?
what did text say anything?
I'll let you cut that one. I usually cut off the black.
Above this side?
Yeah. No. Yes. You caught me. Like,
How do you work your ward little thing?
pull
Mine's
it open.
different than mine.
pull it up. Pull it. Pull it. Pull it. There you go.
I don't know if I can use this thing.
I'll try it. If not, then
So
the
you're-
wedding's off, I guess, if you can't do it.
This side of the white line
Pink is you under pressure.
Huh?
or this side? Yeah, but which end? This is
Cut off the black and you need
Yeah.
the thick part at the top. So that's
And
not-
you go in here. Let me do one, and then you can do the next one. You crank. See how I crank it several times? Right about there. And then I twist this to kind of score it. And then open it and crank down and twist at the same time.
Okay. I will try that.
The Cake Cottage. Or the hardware store.
What did it call?
PVC pipe cutters.
See, I have PVC pipe cutters, but they don't look like this.
There's different ones. Some of them aren't that good. The red ones with the black blades, I don't like. It's like
But
the
if you can't
blade's
get
thicker
it-
or something.
It's not on the line.
Okay, I don't want
get
you
it.
to cut your finger off, so we
No, I
won't.
just need to scoot it up.
Okay, so open it. You're gonna have to open it up to scoot it up, and then you see how you have to crank it back down again.
Alrighty, gotcha.
I did. So now you're gonna have to wait.
I don't even know.
Susan, you want to know where you get the columns to cut?
Cuttable columns. Party Bake. You have to check your local cake supply store. We do carry them at the Cake Cottage
Did I run your
online.
column or is
I don't
it
know.
good?
Party Bake doesn't have it online.
Yeah, they're wholesale only.
This is totally different than mine.
So the local cake
Yeah, it's a little.
Totally different than mine.
Do you like them or not as much? You
Well,
kind
I'm
of get used to
I'm
yours,
used to
yeah.
mine, so.
Okay, so one of those looks a little shorter. I'm not one of those that you have to take, like a leveler and put it on there. I mean, if it's pretty close, it's going